You put them cheesy like.
Where is it?
You put them cheesy like.
Come again.
You put them cheesy like. You put them cheesy like.
Foot cheesy like. You foot cheesy like. What is it?
You put them cheesy like.
I got it right.
No, you never say you put them.
Mama said foot cheesy like.
Nope.
It's basically the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. 4-1.
Wrong.
4-2. You put them cheesy like. You put cheesy like. Him and for him tea. You put cheesy like. Right. Moving. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So based on the title below, we're gonna be doing the whisper challenge. I had this challenge on my previous channel before it was deleted, so I figured we could make a video for this channel. And I see that a few people have been doing the challenge again, even though it's kind of old, but but it's quite interesting anyway, guys. So basically, he's gonna be listening to music, I'm gonna be talking to him, he's gonna have to figure out what I'm saying while listening to the music, and vice versa. So for those of you who are new, my name is Jody and this is my best friend Jahim. Welcome to the channel. Stop. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So he'll go first, whatever, and so on. Vice versa, whatever, and so on. Ready? You're too far away though. Alright. Oh, you want to turn on? Okay. Ready. You feel a waff dog. You feel a waff
for dinner.
I didn't say what you want for dinner. I say you feel a waff dog.
How much it costs?
Stop though, stop. Your favorite waff dog.
My favorite waff dog.
That's what I said. So you see why I say you have to stop the music, because we have to conversate after the fact. Alright, so
your turn?
Yeah.
It's loading up.
Really?
Hey, woman. Wait. Before you broke my thing, come.
I just Oh, alright. The braids make it more bigger, like, alright.
I'm gonna pull it back to us.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, big like.
Eh?
Your fire is big like.
Your fire is big like.
Oh, your ear!
I basically read his lips. I read your lips.
Alright.
Ready? Your head big like dog.
My foot look like clocks.
Your head big like dog.
But I'm clocks.
You have a dog head.
But look like Farah.
Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Maybe don't let the people call police. I said you have a dog head. Alright, ready. Okay.
Alright. Alright, ready? So oh, she hear me, Mr. Ready. The woman can't hear me. Alright.
Say something.
Your face just big and proud.
Your face just big and
oh, yeah!
Stop shouting at me. People call police, Bowie. I read your lips. That's what I keep telling you. No, you can't tell me not to. You can read my lips as well.
No, that's not fair.
No, it is. So what do you want me to do? You said your face big and broad.
Mama.
So I'm not hot. And you're not even wearing clothes. Anyways, your time. Your time.
No, Mom. I don't know.
Drunk or come down. Drunk or come down.
Look up and come down.
You almost got it. Drunk or come down.
Drunk or come down.
Yes. See? Mommy teacher, you know.
Yeah,
No, I taught you something because now you know that you can read my
Sir,
lips.
She
You-
taught
you-
me something. She taught me something. She
Yo.
taught me something. Someone have anything up on me, bro. Put.
Now you know that you can
She
read
taught
my.
me something.
Oh my god.
Any production I dog the right this one.
What?
Any production I dog the right this one.
What?
Any production I dog the right this one. Any production I dog the right this one.
That is hard as hell. What did you
Any
say?
production I dog the right this one.
Oh.
You never did read my lip then.
Because you said something long this time.
No matter. I'm assuming my to the side.
2.
You know, I figure me.
But still a lead. 2-1. 2-1. You got 1 right.
Come on. Ready?
Alright, yeah. Watch me and you. If you a shit past stick.
Fish body sounds.
If you a shit past stick.
Fishy body.
Your favorite shit past stick.
Your face favorite fish.
No. Your favorite shit past stick.
Oh. Yeah. Anyways.
Are you trying to tell me that I'm not funny? If you a shit past stick. Come, my turn.
Come here, man.
He's big mad.
He big mad.
Ready?
He big mad. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Laughing.
You see the dog outside?
Huh?
You see the dog outside?
Huh?
You see the dog outside?
You see the dog outside?
You hear that?
Bap. 3-1.
Anyways.
Bap. You see the dog outside?
Yeah. Alright.
Ready?
True.
I'm gonna tell him so no. Ready?
Wait.
Come on. Music start?
Yeah.
If you were dopey.
My foot big.
If you were dopey.
My fat.
I say if you were dopey.
Yourself a girl.
Copy music. I say if you were dopey.
My favorite dopey.
What should I repeat it now after the fuck? Oh, my turn. My turn. Just play it. So loud.
The food them cheese you like.
Eh?
The food them cheese you like.
What?
The food them cheese you like.
Where say?
The food them cheese you like.
Come again.
Your food them cheese you like. Your food them cheese you like.
Foot cheese you like? Your foot cheese you like? What you say?
Your food them cheese you like.
I got it right.
No, you never say your food them.
Mama said foot cheese you like.
Nope.
It's basically the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. 4-1.
Wrong.
4-2. Your foot them cheese you like. Your foot cheese you like. Him unfair him tea. Your foot cheese you like. Right. My win. Alright, one more.
Sure.
Your turn. Last one. Ha ha ha. Ah, it's been a long day. Dog have money and buy cheese.
Take off the party cheese.
When dog have money and buy cheese.
We are calling phone for.
When dog have money and buy cheese.
When I come for the food.
Look off the music. Look off the music and come down. But say when dog have money and buy cheese.
What that mean? That makes sense.
When you
When
have
dog
money,
buy cheese.
you buy all kind of things that you don't need and waste the money basically. You've never heard people say when dog have money, then buy cheese? You buy all kind of things that you don't need just because you have money and waste it. That's basically what it means. So we've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the challenge. Please let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. And have a great rest of your day, guys. I might be doing I'm not gonna say what it is because then that's gonna take the excitement out of it. So just stay tuned for the next video, guys. Bye.